For number 7, it says graph each system below. Then determine if the system has one, no, or many solutions. And here it tells you that each problem is worth 3 points. You get 2 points for the graph and 1 point for the type of solution. So for the first one, we're going to start at -3. And we're going to go up 2 to the right 1, because that's like 2 over 1. Up 2, right 1. And we just keep going. We also can go down 2, left 1. For the second one, we start at +5, and we go down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1, and so this one is an example of a 1 solution because they would cross at 1 point. Okay, for the second one, we start at -4, and we're going to go up 3, right 1, for the second one, we'll start at +1 on the y-axis and go up 3, right 1 again. Also, we can go down 3, left 1, and we can see that these are no solution because the lines do not touch. Okay, and then the last one for this part, we start at +2, we go up 1, right 2, down 1, left 2, and then for the second line, we start at 2, which is the same point, and you would go up 1, right 2 at the same point. So you can see that every single point touches, so that would be called many solutions. Okay, number 8, we want to use graphing method to solve the linear system. So for the first equation, we could go ahead and graph that starting at +6. Our slope is -3, so down 3, right 2. Our second equation, we have to put into slope-intercept form, so we have to move this x to the other side. So I would add the 2x, but I'm just putting this right in here. So y equals 2x minus 1. So I start at -1, and I would go up 2, right 1, and down to left 1. And I can see that they cross at 1 point. And here it says it wants to solve the system, so we don't want to write one solution, we want to write what is the solution. So the solution is 2, 3. Okay. In number 9, it says solve the system by substitution. So this one is when we have the 3 different steps. Step 1 says you want to write the equation that has x or y by itself. So that would be the second equation. Step 2 says use the other equation we have not used. So that's the first one. And this right here is the expression that equals x. So you're going to plug this in to x, which means you have to bring the 3 down, and you're putting parentheses around the new stuff. So we're going to plug this in, bring down your minus y, equals 8. I need to distribute my 3, so that would be -6y, 15, minus y equals 8. We would combine our like terms, so that would be negative 7y plus 15 equals 8. Then we subtract 15, and negative 7y equals negative 7. And lastly, we divide by negative 7, and y is 1. So we know y is 1. Step 3 says go back to step 1 and plug this 1 into your y. So I simplify negative 2 plus 5. 5 minus 2 is 3.